Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a plan with me. I'm going to be taking you through how I plan for my weeks because my weeks have to be productive, so I have to make sure that I'm doing my plan the week before. So it's currently Saturday. I plan my weeks on Saturday night, so yeah, I'm going to be taking you through. I plan everything that I do on Notion, so I'm just going to be taking you guys through the Notion tour, and I hope that this gives you some inspiration and how to plan, all of that. So yeah, let's just get straight into it.
This is my intentions for the week. I just like drag it to my archives and then I click on this button and it automatically, puts everything there for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this real quick. Okay guys, so that was really quick. I've already done that. So as you can see, I'm grateful for life and hope. Yeah, I'm grateful for the gift of life and hope. Thank you, Jesus. I want to feel accomplished. My primary focus for this week is the habits templates up and running. Then the habits. So what habits do I need to get back on track here? So every time I do this, I just say, look to the very my mental mind that I need to work on these habits. Okay, I don't like the way they're showing no sugary snacks. Like, yeah, I don't like that. So I need to work on that. I have 5 values that I chose for the year: so gratitude, authenticity, courage, mindfulness, and growth. So every week I just like pick one out of them that I want to focus on for the week, but not like really focus on, but like just being more mindful of it throughout the weeks. So this is just like things that I want to get, like just one-time purchases, just to like see and just see, okay, is there anyone that I want to get? And then the books that I'm reading. So these are the books that I'm currently reading as of today. Yeah, and then the last thing is the experiences. So this is just like the studies that I just chose. Okay, so I just filtered it based on like the ones that I have chosen to be working on, like to plan, which I usually plan in my monthly planning session. So yeah, I've not done this yet, so this is just like kind of like a reminder, just a reminder. And then we're on to the good stuff. Yeah, this is where it gets good. Okay, this is where it gets good. Okay, so the way my planning system works is that I work based on the projects that I have in front of me. I don't just put tasks randomly and just say, okay, these are the tasks for the day. Just pick 3 tasks for the top priority. That's not the way I plan. The way I plan is that I plan based on the projects that I have, and I already allocated different hours for the projects that I have. So I plan based on those hours. So for instance, I have 2 hours in a day for a particular project, and then I make sure that every single day the task that I have for that project is something that I can accomplish within 2 weeks. So I'll show you guys later on. So this one is not done yet. So this is done. 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 And this is done. So I'm gonna keep this here because I'm not done with it just yet. And yeah, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead to make time for what matters using my balanced life planner. I have a whole video explaining the whole process for this, so I'm just going to link it down below. The reason why I'm going to do this again is because I want to add another project to my life. So that's why I just really want to, like, add this here. So yeah, let's do that on time lapse. So yeah. So for this part is the prioritizing the project. So this is something that I like to do. Maybe I feel like I need to, be allocating more time to a particular project than I usually would, but I would use this to make sure that, I'm actually validating that, and it's not just because I want to run away from one project. Like, should that actually be a priority, or am I just tripping? And also I do it anytime I want to add a new project. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are done with this. So this is my high and this is my medium. So to schedule the frequency, so I already have all these. I don't think I want to like switch up anything based on like what I do every single day, because I have like Wednesdays are my filming days, Fridays are my fast days, Wednesdays are my self-therapy days, Tuesdays are my life admin days. I love my schedule like this. I love my schedule because the way I plan my days is that I'm not the kind of person like, okay, I have to like focus on one thing every single day. I feel like no, like I feel like that's not gonna make you feel like you're living a balanced life when you're just hyper fixating on one thing every single day. I love the fact that I wake up and I do different things in my day, so that it one doesn't feel like, I'm like super grindy, because I am diversifying. Like, I'm doing different things, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. And because I work based on the Pomodoro, so it's like I have those breaks in order for me to like just mentally switch to different projects. So yeah, so that's just the way me I work. But some people would probably like to, work, focus on one thing for one day and then focus on another thing one day. People are different, but for me, I like to focus on different things. So this is my Monday schedule. So these are the amount of hours. This is the way my work day works. So as you can see, I start my work day every day 7:30 and I ended 9:30. So that means I have 14 hours to work every single day. So the way I've now added this is that, so everything here should accumulate to 14. So for instance, if I remove this one and it's showing 13, that means that I still have time. But if for instance it's showing 2, that means that I need to figure out a way to like remove like 1 hour from this, so that everything allocates, so that when I want to put it in my time blocking app, I would be able to do so. Like, I'll be able to see the time to actually do that. You get. So now we're going to check Tuesday, because now we already like allocated Tuesday to the evangelism. So because I put Tuesday there, it's now showing up here, but of course it's not showing up in Monday because I didn't include it in Monday. So yeah, I'm just going to give it, so as you can see, this is 14, so I'm going to have to like remove an hour from something here to be able to get time for the evangelism. But I think I want to like move it from the life admin. I feel like this one is not something that is that deep. Like, I just need to like talk to someone, for like 10 minutes or something. So I'm just going to allocate like 30 minutes for that. So that's probably going to be 0.5. So that's good to go. And as you can see, we are set. So I'm just going to check the other ones, just make sure that everything is allocated. Yeah, we have 14. Yeah. And then Friday, we have Friday. So as you can see, for Fridays, by 6 p.m. I'm free for Friday. And I also do not wake up as early as I normally would. So as you can see, I want to start doing everything by 10 a.m. So that's just my vibe. Fridays are my days of like rest, and I can just like take a break, bask in God's presence, because that's when I have my fast day. So 5 hours are like just dedicated for like my routine for that fast day. And as you can see, since I'm not, since I'm like ending work by 6 p.m., so that means that I'm not, I don't need an evening break. So I just like left that one blank. And then I also don't sew at the end, because like sewing is something that brings joy for me. So the fact that I am ending work early, I don't need to do sewing, and I can just go straight into another thing that brings me joy. So yeah, that's just how I spend my time. I make sure that I allocate my hours, because your hours are really important. How you are spending your hours, how you are planning to spend your hours, because that's really all your day is about. It's not about having 70 tasks on your to-do list, but like if you do not like allocate different hours for different parts of your life, you're not going to be able to like really focus in on it. Like, if you've not decided that, okay, this is the dedicated time for this project, things are just not going to get done. Okay, because for instance, now with this evangelism, I can always say, oh, I'm going to do evangelism, but like if I don't put it here, it's not going to get done. I just say it's just not going to get done. So yeah, this is it. So after everything, so it now accumulates everything. So as you can see, this is it. This is what my BLP looks like. So my product development is taking 11%, which is kind of the highest. Okay, no, my breaks are the highest. Yes, I'm not apologetic about this. Yes, I need to take a break. Okay, I need to reset my mind. I need to, so I'm not even apologetic about that. Like, it is what it is, but like in the grand scheme of things, actually my current finances is 48% of my week, my health and wellness is 36% of my week, and my personal growth and fulfillment is 14%. So that's just that's my BLP. And then after that, you can just like put it in your time blocking app and you're ready to go. But me, I take a step further and I actually plan the tasks that I'll be doing in this time frame. So before, I didn't used to do that. All I would just do was that I would just allocate this different hour, put in my time blocking app, and then every single day when I sit down on my table, my mind is thinking as a product developer, okay, so it's time for product development. What can I do to move forward in the product development area? So that's just the way it is. But I noticed that I want to take it up a notch. I want to actually like plan all of the different tasks to the T. Okay, do this, on Monday, do this on Tuesday, do this on Wednesday. So that's how we got here. So now we're now going to go into doing that. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to align projects. So as you can see, these are all of my projects for quarter 3, which is Q3, and then this is like a project goal. So it's not like a habit goal, it's like a project goal. So you have to like do different tasks to actually achieve the project. So as you can see, I still have all of these other things that I'm planning to do for Q3. Lord help me. But yeah, these are the ones that I've started. Okay, so now we're going to go to assign the status. At this point here, what I like to do is that I have created a button for my recurring projects. Okay, so I've created a button for my create YouTube content, created a button for my create business social media content, life admin, and these are like templates. So let me show you all what I mean by that. So as you can see here, I have templates, and what this does is that it just like populates the pages for me so that I don't have to like go in depth and like, you know, really sort this out. So if I click on it now, as you can see, I have all of the recurring projects that I work on every week. So yeah, what I'm just gonna do, and it's automatically showing planned here. So yeah, and since everything is planned, all I just need to do is just assign the due date. So yeah, these are basically done, and yeah, that's done for the project side. So now it's time for us to assign tasks for the different projects that we have, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open this, and this is a button. So once I click on this button, you see magic right now. So it just like takes kind of some commitment to like just do this, but once you've done this, I mean, it's so easy. And now if you notice here, it's going to show this. Okay, so as you can see, as I told you before, I have different hours for different projects, right? So as you can see, for my personal brand, the total hours in the whole week is 6 hours. So this is just a way for me to see that, okay, I have 6 hours for this project, and I already assigned 7 tasks. These are the tasks. So I already assigned 7 tasks for it, and it's kind of okay. So because generating leads is something that is quite new for me, so I'm going to have to like create the button that is going to just automatically populate the tasks for me. So as you can see, I just went to the inspiration tab. So these are all of the tasks that I did for the previous week. So in order for me to know, okay, like just like get a sense of the tasks that I would do for this week, I just like to go there. So for instance, as you can see, I want to analyze the results. Analyze results, and then if I want to create another one, all I need to do is just duplicate below, and it's duplicated below, and I'll just do that. New add. So for this shooting, right, anything that I'm doing that I am filming, I don't put it in the time allocation for the project that it's in already. I want it to be showing in the filming. So I'm just going to scroll and click filming. So now I am done with that, and see the magic again. If this is not cool, I don't know what is. If your mind is not blown by this, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, I really like this. So as you can see, I have all of my tasks ready to go, guys. So now I have populated all of my tasks. These are all the tasks for the week, and then the next thing for me now to do is to assign the dates, okay? Because as they are now, like, I don't exactly know which day I'm going to be doing which. So yeah, I'm just gonna assign the dates, and yeah, this is basically all I do. I try to do it like at Saturday night, on Saturday night, so that my Sundays are rest days for me. Okay, I'm only doing things that fill my cup. I'm doing my self-care, I'm doing my hair, I'm doing my nails. Yeah, I'm just doing things that, yeah, I don't have to worry about all of this. And then I also do my digital resets. And yeah, guys, that is that for this video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. And I know it can seem quite a lot, but actually I really want to know, what do you think about it? Do you think I'm doing too much? I've been able to come up with it, and this has really been helping me to just stay, you know, consistent, stay persistent with everything that I'm doing, but also making sure that I'm not burning out, and I'm making sure that I'm still incorporating things that matter to me. I'm still incorporating things that, you know, I not just work. I not just like work. For instance, with the whole thing of my evangelism, with my self therapy, with my fast day, you know, like all these things, my life admin, like I'm not just, you know, working, like, you know, yeah, I'm just having intention in my day, having intention in the things that I do. And yeah, so I'm really happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do really appreciate you for sticking to the end. I love you. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. So yeah guys, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, I'm tired. Now it's time to go and binge watch One Tree Hill. Oh my god, I shouldn't have actually finished my ice cream. Oh well. Anyways, bye guys. See you later.